Hello viewers, today I'm going to make mini pistachio cupcakes. This is an easy recipe you can make anytime at home, so let's get started. I'm taking 62 grams of flour, then I'm adding 62 gram caster sugar, now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda, I'm adding 62 grams of room temperature butter. Now I'll combine all this before adding rest of the ingredients. You should always measure your ingredients while baking. Now I'm adding 1 room temperature egg and I'm adding 1 tablespoon pistachio paste. You can easily make pistachio paste at home. Just add some pistachio and liquid milk in food processor and blend in till it is smooth. Now let us blend in everything together for a few minutes. Once everything is combined, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of liquid milk and blending again. Our cake batter is ready. Now I'm going to pour in the batter in my cupcake liners. I'm using this non-stick liners, but you can use paper liners as well. Meanwhile, I've set my oven to preheat. Now I'm going to bake them at 170°C for 20 minutes. Here we are after baking. Let me show you how soft and fluffy they are. Now I'm going to decorate them with some pistachio buttercream. I'm using this tip. If you want me to show how to make this buttercream, let me know in the comment below. With this measurement, I was able to make 12 mini cupcakes, so you can make 6 normal size cupcakes with the same measurement as well. My piping is done, and here is our sweet little pistachio cupcakes.